Hello, my name is Sasha. Today is a rainy day outside. We cannot play outside. So if you're bored, you can watch this video. But should we read a book first before we go play outside? Great. Then we are reading Rainy Day. Look out the window, I said to Tigger, my cat. It's raining, so we can't go outside today. Tigger meowed sadly. Then let's dress up as pirates, I shouted. You don't scare me, said my sister Sarah. Now let's do some painting, I said. Oh, Tigger, what a mess. Mommy won't be very happy. Why don't you come and watch cartoons? My brother Jack. Yippee! I shouted. Mo the mouse is on. That's quite enough television for one day, said Mommy. Now come and help me make a cake. Tigger wants a chocolate cake, I said. When Mommy put the cake in the oven, Tigger and I went out to play in the garden. Put your hat and boots on, said Mommy. I jumped in all the puddles, but Tigger got wet and scared. Shivering, I picked her up. Never mind, Tigger, I said. Look, the sun come out. And it did. The end. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoy my story.